Okay, the first topic at hand is Amendment to Indian Forest Act 1927. Indian Forest Act 1927 was an act that was implemented in 1927, of course, to consolidate the existing forest laws like Forest Act 1864 और उसके बाद जितने regulations आए उन सारे regulations और laws को consolidate करके one law बनाया गया, that was Forest Act 1927. But Forest Act 1927 is one of the very important laws in the governance of forest in country. Now there are some drawbacks and some lacunas due to which a lot of minor criminal activities get reported as a major criminal activity under the act. The act restricts the extension of business services into the forests, due to which the resources or the exploitation of the forest resources like minerals has not been able to be achieved to the level that the level that the mineral resources India has. ठीक है, तो and there has also been a constant revolution going on in the forest belts of the country, basically the Naxal movement and all. To address those situations, the government is now trying to bring an amended Forest Act 1927. The Forest Act 1927 is to be amended, and now the government has invited expression of interest from law firms. We'll be dealing with this in the detail. The second topic at hand is special economic zones. Special economic zone क्या होते हैं? Special economic zones, as we know, are special enclaves within the country, ठीक है, which are treated as foreign land for the purpose of custom duty. मतलब अगर ये कंट्री है इंडिया, ओके है ना, अगर इस कंट्री में एक हम कोई एरिया चूज कर लें, इस एरिया को फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम इसको कहते हैं कांडला पोर्ट, है ना, कांडला पोर्ट, the Kandla port will now be considered as a foreign territory for the consideration of the customs. That means any import or export will not attract any kind of custom duty. That is called special economic zone or SEZ. The third topic that we are going to deal with today is a very important one, that is International North-South Transport Corridor. Now this topic is very important because because there are a lot of geopolitical maneuvering, okay, a lot of geopolitical maneuvering is going on. For example, United States of America is trying to withdraw its forces from the US is trying to withdraw its forces from Afghanistan, due to which a power vacuum might be created. And we can see that Pakistan is very readily trying to get hold of the situation, and Pakistan is very aggressively trying to be a very important stakeholder in the Afghan policy, because of course the control that the Pakistani ISI has on Taliban. Okay, because of that, Pakistan is actually trying very hard to become a very important stakeholder in the whole Afghan polity after the withdrawal of US government. Another very important topic that we are going to deal today is reservation in promotion. Okay, reservation in promotion for PWD, people with disabilities. ठीक है, तो we'll be dealing with this topic. This is very important from the polity. Okay, polity and constitution का बहुत important part है. Article 16, ठीक है, Article 16 and Article 15 are very important. Article 16 and 15. These two articles are very, very, very important because there has been a lot of change going on into both of these acts. There have been constant interpretations, the conflict in the society, ठीक है, a feeling of marginalization, उसको कम करने के लिए Article 15 और 16. Article 16 provides for reservation in employment. The original constitution did not provide for reservation to economically weaker sections, but now the government has provided reservation to economically weaker sections as well. Now, why are we dealing with reservation promotion for physical people with disabilities? Because recently the Supreme Court has given a judgment that says that the people with disabilities are entitled to reservation in promotions. Okay. This is not the decision of the Supreme Court right now. That was given in an earlier case in 2016. In this case, what Supreme Court has decided is that the method of recruitment cannot be used as a tool to deprive the people from the benefits of reservation. And we'll be concluding with another very important topic, that is trusted telecom portals. Now, what are trusted telecom portals? Very recently, you would have observed that USA has barred Hawaii from participating in any kind of telecommunication equipment supply. Matlab, USA has barred the supply of Hawaii. Hawaii is a Chinese company. Canada has also barred Hawaii from supplying any kind of telecom equipment to US and Canada. Now, what is the issue? Both the countries have alleged that the infrastructure or the telecom gear that the Hawaii is providing is corrupted with viruses or some kind of programs that might steal into the data from the national grid or the very vulnerable part of the communication technology and the communication system of the USA and all.